Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I want to talk to you about something incredibly simple but deeply powerful, the phrase, I am. It's a phrase that holds within it the entire power of creation. You see, when you say, I am, you are making a declaration, a proclamation, not just to the world, but to yourself, about who you are and what you can create. It's a phrase that can unlock doors to your desires and manifest them in your life. What if I told you that by simply using those two words, you could begin to shape your reality? That's right. I am is the key, and what follows these words defines your experience. Whether you're aware of it or not, every time you say, I am, you are invoking your power to shape your life. The words you choose after, I am, are important because they are commands to your subconscious mind. Let's break this down a little. Everything in your life, your thoughts, your feelings, your experiences, are all connected to what you believe about yourself. When you say, I am, you're essentially tapping into your deepest beliefs. If you say, I am successful, your mind aligns with that belief, and your actions begin to mirror that conviction. If you say, I am abundant, your entire being begins to attract abundance in ways you might not even understand yet. This isn't just a theory or something to think about. It's a law of the universe. Your mind is constantly creating your reality based on what you believe to be true. Every time you say, I am, you are giving your subconscious mind a new directive, a new order, a new vision for your life. That's the power of this phrase. You don't need any special tools or complex rituals to make this work. All you need is a moment of silence, a clear thought, and a firm belief in your own power. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, say out loud or quietly to yourself, I am. It could be anything, a new job, a happy relationship, financial freedom, or health. Say it, feel it, and believe it. But here's the key, it must be real to you. It's not enough to just repeat the words, you must believe them with your whole being. Your mind, body, and spirit must align with what you are saying. If you want to experience change in your life, you must first believe it to be true. This is where the magic happens. Think of it this way, your subconscious mind is like a fertile soil. Whatever seeds you plant in it will grow. But if you plant seeds of doubt or negativity, that's what you will harvest. On the other hand, if you plant seeds of confidence, success, and positivity, those are the things that will bloom in your life. It's all about the seeds you choose to plant, and the most powerful seed you can plant is the affirmation of, I am. Now, you might be wondering, how long will it take for me to see results? That depends entirely on you. The more you use this phrase, the more your mind will accept it as truth. In the beginning, it might feel strange or hard to believe, especially if you've been conditioned to think the opposite. But with practice, consistency, and faith, it becomes a part of your reality. Every time you use, I am, you are setting an intention. You are telling the universe, and more importantly, your subconscious mind, what you desire to create. But it doesn't stop there. You must feel it, visualize it, and live it as though it's already happening. Feel the excitement, the joy, the gratitude of already having what you desire. This is where the real power comes in. The words alone won't do it. You must align your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions with what you want. Let's take a simple example. If you are struggling with finances, instead of saying, I am broke or I am in debt, shift your focus to what you want, not what you don't want. Start saying, I am financially free, I am abundant, or I am worthy of wealth. Even if your current reality doesn't reflect this, that's okay. Your subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. It only knows what you impress upon it. The more you impress abundance, the more it will show up in your life. The power of, I am, isn't limited to any one area of your life. It's universal. Whether you're looking for love, success, health, or happiness, I am, can bring it all to you. If you've been struggling with relationships, start saying, I am deserving of love, I am open to healthy relationships. Feel the truth of these words, and watch how your relationships start to transform. This doesn't mean that you'll never face challenges. Life is full of ups and downs, but by using I am to set your intentions and align your thoughts, you are preparing yourself to navigate those challenges with strength and grace. You are affirming that no matter what happens, you are always in control of your thoughts, and therefore, in control of your reality. So how do you start? Starting tonight. Before you go to sleep, take a few moments to sit quietly. Close your eyes, and with every breath, feel more connected to your inner self. When you're calm and centered, begin by saying, I am, and follow it with whatever you want to manifest. Be specific. Be bold. And believe it as you say it. If you want health, say, I am healthy and full of vitality. If you want success in your career, say, I am successful and achieving my goals. Feel the words as if they are already true. The key is to feel it as real. The more you use, I am, in this way, the more your life will reflect the changes you desire. You are not waiting for things to change on the outside first. You are changing from the inside, and as you do, the world around you shifts. When you begin to understand the power behind the words, I am, something profound begins to happen. You are no longer waiting for the world to change before you do. Instead, you are taking control of your life by aligning your words with your deepest desires. This isn't about forcing change or wishing for miracles, it's about realizing that the power to shape your reality has always been within you. Every time you say, I am, you're reminding yourself that you are in charge of your destiny. You become the creator of your experiences. The reason why the words, I am, are so powerful is because they acknowledge your innate power. The phrase itself is an affirmation of your existence. When you say, I am, you're declaring your being and acknowledging your right to be, do, and have anything you desire. Your subconscious mind takes these words literally, and when spoken with belief, they trigger an immediate shift in your energy. Think about this for a moment. Every successful person you know, whether in business, in personal relationships, or in health, has learned to use the power of I am to their advantage. They understand that their thoughts create their reality. They do not simply wish or hope for success, they affirm it, live it, and align their actions with it. You have the same potential within you. The difference lies in the consistency and belief you place behind your words. Your words are the building blocks of your future. As you continue this practice, you'll notice small shifts, little signs that your intentions are starting to take shape. It could be a new opportunity, a change in your thoughts, or a person entering your life who aligns with your desires. These are all signs that your I am statements are working. One of the most beautiful aspects of this practice is that it's available to you at all times. You can use I am in any situation, whether you're at home, at work, or out in the world. Anytime you feel doubt or fear creeping in, replace those thoughts with a powerful I am statement. The more consistent you are, the quicker you'll see results. So, my friends, I urge you to test this tonight. Don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. Say, I am, and follow it with your desire. Do it with faith, with belief, and with gratitude, and watch as your life begins to change in ways you never thought possible. By simply using the phrase, I am, you are tapping into the limitless power within you. You are the creator of your reality. And tonight, as you rest, know that you are creating something beautiful, something aligned with your true desires. Trust in the process, and watch your world shift.